This is by far my favorite vocal de-esser due to its transparent sound at moderate settings and still incredibly pleasant sound at higher levels of attenuation. Now, if you like the sound of this de-esser, you could use the full DS1 compressor, which this de-esser is pulled from. However, I find I'm always using this compressor for de-essing anyways, so I might as well keep it simple and use the de-essing version. Now, I really like the ability to change the latency, the wet-dry, and various behaviors like the attack and release, knee, and more. Lastly, the mid-side option makes this perfect for vocal bus processing, in which you want to affect the sibilants more so than any effects like reverb or delay, which may be in the same frequency range, but on the side image.